guys, it's me. Hello guys, it's me, Justin. I'm gonna play with my friend Illuminati. Okay, check out his channel. His channel is called Illuminati Squad. Okay, and we're gonna play sniper shootout duos, right? And we're gonna have some fun. Okay. Where are we going?
We're going to crates.
Okay.
So we played a round last time, and a guy, he was shooting at Justin, and he was like, bro, save me, I need to be saved. And then I put my head out, and I was like, dead. And then I shot and headshotted him, and he died.
And then at the end of the game, we were like, I was building, and guess what? I fell. Wait, I thought.
Just completely fell.
Yeah.
It's not Splatoon, dude. Oh yes, I'm gonna be the one to get this chest, and then I can pop down and kill whoever.
It's lagging. It's really laggy.
Semi-auto. Watch it.
Okay, sorry about that. I died! I had no guns at all.
I'm about to no-scope this time.
Oh, well, that's gonna be I'm gonna do one more match. After this match, I'm gonna probably finish it off, unless we die too quickly. Dang. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a like, comment, like, and subscribe. Okay. I better. I was doing something and then I died. I died. I got sniped. I, oh yeah.
This channel, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. I will be posting this Fortnite video and I will be doing a bowling video. So watch out for that. So if we're playing Sniper Shootout Duos, new mode on Fortnite, not sponsored by Fortnite, but it's a good game, so go check it out.
No, not sponsored by Epic Mini Games. They're the one who made it. They're not sponsored. We just really like the game.
Yeah, it's a good game. Go check it out.
Go check it out.
But I'm about to no-scope this game so hard.
I'm doing the boneless dance. I'm doing the boneless dance. This is how you do the boneless. I got sniped. I got. Oh, thanks. No, there's no ammo. Where are we going? Do you want to go to the treasure map? No, let's go here.
No, I'm gonna do another video on the treasure map. Oh yeah, let's go there.
Oh yeah, we're going here. Okay, I just jumped. If we get this victory royale, I will be. I don't think we will though.
I would love to get them, but I do not think we're going to.
No, we're going to.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
I found a llama last time, like right over there.
Wait, last time?
No, not last round. It was another round, meme pad.
Oh my goodness, I'm lagging really bad. It won't let me break anything.
Wait, I want to get a bolt. Use a bolt or a scope to somebody so hard.
It won't let me do anything.
No, dang it. I sniped him and he did that.
But did
Is
you
this a
snipe?
semi-auto? Thanks for the semi-auto. About to walk in here and get sniped in the face.
It won't let me. Oh, sorry about that, guys. It's really laggy. It won't let me break anything. You guys can see this. No, it's laggy. It's laggy. It won't let me. Someone's here. Help! Someone's at your house. Someone's going to your house. Yeah. Yeah. I never sell gluten free. Have a mini. Have a mini.
This guy legit, he pickaxed me to death.
Wait, the 110 times?
Yes. Pickaxed me like a million times. Oh my gosh. That guy. Oh my god. I was just about to kill him too, like one shot and he would have been dead.
Where is he?
Over there. Why'd you just impulse yourself away? Impulse behind you.
How? Oh, I hit it blue. Sure. Oh, I got him.
Okay,
Nice.
well guys, I'm gonna stop the video and I'm gonna play another match. And I'm gonna play another match. I'm gonna start the video when I play another match.
Yeah. I can't believe I no scoped him. I no scoped him with my hunting rifle.
Yeah, that's
That was so easy. Is there another guy I can? I literally impulsed myself.
no, I took out the other guy.
Oh, you did? Too bad. I'm gonna avenge you. Why? For a second, I thought someone was in there. I might go in a lot of combat, but who cares? Oh! Oh, I thought that was someone.
Ow, I just punched myself in the face on her.
Why? Maybe because you died? You died?
No, I just accidentally punched myself. She's like, oops, mom, I punched myself.
Oh, I died. I died. No, I didn't die. I got a kill. My very first. What did you just say? Did you say I'm a psycho? Did you hear something? I'm going to Fatals, even though there's gonna be combat. Oh, for a second, that does. He didn't even hit me at all. Oh, sweet. Sweet. It's my lucky day. Someone in the port fort? I don't know if it's. I need another. I need medium bullets. Like really, really bad. Oh, there's good loot. Oh. What? I already knew someone was here. Okay, I need to drink this. I need to drink this. Take this. What does this do? Oh! He's gonna pickaxe me to death! No! I got pickaxed. I got pickaxed. Caden, I got pickaxed. Caden,
Yeah.
I got pickaxed.
Oh, dang it! I got pickaxe too.
Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!